In today's video, I'll share my recently discovered website that will allow you to easily earn hundreds of dollars, even if you've never made a dime online before, have no skills or experience, and are a complete newbie. If you want to learn how, stay tuned and watch this video until the end, because I'll show you everything step by step so you can do it from your bed, the beach, while waiting in line, on your way home, and literally anywhere you want. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can start making money right away. In fact, this is a completely free opportunity that requires no effort or money to get started, and it's available in every country. Now, before we get into it, I would like to give a shout out to my friend's YouTube channel called Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. We really appreciate people that teach other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and also, of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new content, we release new ways to earn money online daily, and make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we drop a new method and be one of the first to have a chance to try it out. Leave a like and comment below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach more and more people. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So the site we'll be using today to get paid is this one right here. Right off the bat, this isn't related to Shopify in any way, shape, or form, so don't let the name confuse you. Now, what this site does is basically as said right here, it creates stunning logos in seconds, and the best part is that this is a completely free platform, and in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step as promised in the intro in order to show you just how easy and fast it is to create a logo with this website. From there, I'll show you exactly where you can get paid a lot of money for those same logos, so you can actually make money online and get paid over and over again, even if you have no design skills whatsoever. With all of that said, you can go on to this site and read more about it, but I won't do that as to not prolong this video, so let me show you exactly what you need to do when you come on here, which is to click on Get Started right over here. Doing so will now bring you over to this page. Now, you just need to select what your logo is related to. So, are you creating a logo for a tech company, for some food company, or whatever? When you choose the niche in question, just click on Next. Now, on the next page is where you'll choose your visual style. So, you have bold, calm, reliable, classic, and so on. It's gonna depend highly on what your customer is asking of you. In my case, I just went along with conservative here as an example. With that done, you will now add the name of the company which you're creating the logo for, and you can also add a slogan, although that is optional. Once you do, on the next page, you just have to let them know where the logo design will be used, whether it will be used on various online sites, social media, prints, business cards, and so on. And finally, you will now find and pick a logo you want to use, and as you can see, there's an infinite number of logos that you can pick from. Now, they all look absolutely amazing, and as you've seen it yourselves, this just took a couple of minutes, while it can take someone hours and hours to design a professional logo by themselves. In any case, now you just want to find the logo you think looks best. For the sake of this video, let's just open this one, and here's the best part about this website. Not only do they give you all of these logos for free, but you can customize them however you want, which is awesome. As you can see, you can change the business name and the slogan if you've added one. You can change the font or the text, you can change the colors of the logo, the icons, and finally the layout. Obviously, you want to invest a little more time into this than I did, since in the end, you want the logo to look as good as you can possibly make it. Now, when you're finished and satisfied with the logo, just click on Next, and as you can see, I downloaded this logo by clicking right here, free of charge once again. With all of that done, now that you have your logo, it's time for me to show you a few platforms where you can get paid by selling it. By the way, this platform was called hatchful.shopify.com. Well, just like what I said earlier, this isn't related to Shopify in any way, shape, or form, so don't let the name confuse you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends, hit the red subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. If we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can make money just by doing basic stuff like this, so comment make money online down below. And if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video that might even be cooler than this, so comment make money online down below. Next week, we'll release a brand new video to show you how to make even more money online by completing simple tasks like this. So, let's get back to the video now. Now, arguably the best site out there for that particular purpose is called DesignCrowd.com. This is a website you might have heard about by now, since as far as design is concerned, it's one of the best out there. If you hover your mouse over categories here, you'll see that they have far more categories than just logo design per se. They've got business card design, web design, WordPress, and landing page design, banner ad design, and so much more. Something I know you guys will love is that this site is available worldwide. If you hover your mouse over designers and click on see more under designers by country, you'll see that there are people working from all around the globe. You have the UK, India, Chile, Philippines, the US, and so on. So no matter where you're coming from, this will work for you. With that said, something you guys will be interested in as well is how much money people have made designing logos on here, and it's literally 6 figures. You can see this for yourselves by hovering your mouse over designers once again and then clicking on logo designers, and just check out the numbers. 295,000 made, 282,000 made, $268,000, $245,000 made, and if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that people have all made 6 figures designing these logos, and it's not without reason. A single logo design can pay you up to hundreds of dollars, and thanks to the tool that I showed you in the beginning, you can literally design it professionally in 30 minutes. With all of that said, you do need to create an account on here first. To do so, click on register in the upper right corner. On the very next page, you want to enter in your first name, email address, and password. Click on I'm a designer, and finally continue to enter in a few more details before being able to create your account. Once you have your account, in order to find work, what you need to do is hover your mouse over jobs and click on logo design. This will now show you, as you can see, hundreds of people who need a logo design. And as I said before, they are all willing to pay hundreds of dollars. Now, I must say that there is a bit of downside to this website, and that is that you have to bid for these offers. I know that is something that not many of you will like, but look at it like this. You just need a single person to pay you to earn hundreds of dollars in minutes, so in the end, it's well worth it. With that said, what you can do to maximize your profits is create gigs on a few freelancing platforms. This is an optional step, but if you don't want to just bid for offers, it can be very helpful in getting customers. Now, I'm not going to recommend Fiverr for this one, since I know most of you dislike it due to the sheer amount of competition. Instead, you want to use one of these 2 platforms. The first one is peopleperhour.com, and the second one is seoclerk.com. Both of these retain a very decent number of customers, but don't nearly have as much competition as Fiverr does, which makes them ideal for beginners. And just like it was in the case with DesignCrowd, there are people here that have made thousands of dollars. This person, for example, is charging $155 and has had over 1,900 sales, as you can see. So that is about $300,000, which is even more than those designers over on DesignCrowd. So as you can see, designing these logos is well worth it on people per hour here, and just keep in mind that thanks to this tool, you can design a logo with little to no effort. Anyways, what you need to do on either of these is register first. So to do so on people per hour, click on sign up right here, and to do so on SEO Clerk, you need to click on join. Then just enter in some basic details and create a gig. Now, something of note is that just like on Fiverr, you won't be getting that many customers at first. So don't have unrealistic expectations, as in the beginning, you won't have any reviews. But once you get a couple good reviews, it all gets easier from there, and you can combine these two sites with DesignCrowd to earn a lot of money designing logos with ease. Don't forget to also check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, that wraps up today's video. If you made it until the end, just know that you'll start making money if you decide to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you on this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous video on our channel. We upload every single day, and if you want more, all you gotta do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in our next videos.